Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Today we will do chapter number 6 in grade 6. Chapter number 6, changes around us. What is the name of the chapter?
Changes around us.
Fine. You know change. Earlier you were so small infants. Now you have grown up to 10 or 11 years. So this is a growth. This is change in your body. Fine. Changes can be of many types, and changes can be what? Change in shape. There can be change in
Shape.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्पंज स्वीट्स लड्डू बनाते हो, आपने उसकी शेप चेंज कर दी. कोई आप स्क्वायर बना देता है, कोई बर्फी रोम्बस, काजू कतली इज रोम्बिक इन शेप, राइट. साइज, चेंज इन साइज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल balloon, when you know like blow air in balloon, flatten it, or what are you doing? You are changing the size of balloon. So change in size. Change may be in position. When you play with a ball or football, you are kicking it, then change in position. When you are shifting a chair, change in position, right?
Yes, ma'am.
There may be change in color. When you heat a piece of iron, that becomes red hot. That becomes
Red hot.
that is a change in color. Okay. Suppose some spot was there. I used that soap and it became red in color, so change in color. That is also a change. There may be change in internal structure. Internally, like at this time I am suppose 40 years old. After 10 years I will be 50 years old. Then in my internal body there might be some change. You are cooking some food. That food internally is getting changed. Okay, growth, cooking food, etc. are under the internal change. Then if I talk about the types of changes, the types of
Changes.
can be of two types: reversible
Irreversible.
and irreversible. Reversible and
Irreversible.
reversible, it in which you can reverse the change. जो ओरिजिनल पोजीशन थी आप वो लेके आ सकते हैं. That is called reversible. आपने स्वीट्स की शेप को चेंज किया. Can you reverse it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can reverse it. So this is reversible. Size, बलून को आप फुला भी सकते हैं, फ्लैटन भी कर सकते हैं. So यहाँ पे बलून का फुलाना is what? Reversible, right? Position, बॉल और फुटबॉल को आपने किक किया, आप उसको वापस उसकी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन पे लेके आ सकते हैं. This is again an example of reversible. If you are heating an iron piece, जब आप उसको कूल कर देंगे तो दोबारा उसी कलर की हो जाएगी. So this is again what? Reversible. But if I talk about cooking food, आप food बना सकते हैं.
No, ma'am.
So this is irreversible change. This is
Irreversible change.
growth. आप अब इतने बड़े हो चुके कि आप वापस इन्फेंट बन सकते हैं.
No, ma'am.
So this is again irreversible change. Okay. So is it clear the difference between reversible and irreversible changes?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Next is on the basis of types of changes. Again, these are of two types: physical change and
Chemical change.
physical changes are
Chemical changes.
mostly physical changes are reversible. They can be reversed, while chemical changes are irreversible. For example, अभी जब हम बलून की बात कर रहे थे तो वो रिवर्सिबल था.
Yes,
So that is physical change. Physical change में no new matters are found. कोई नया substance नहीं बनता. Chemical change में नया substance बनता है. Okay? So physical changes are mostly reversible, while chemical changes are always irreversible. Chemical changes are
Irreversible.
burning. आपने कोई चीज burn कर दी, क्या आप वापस लेके आ सकते हैं उसको?
No, ma'am.
So that is chemical change. That is
Chemical change.
cooking of food is what kind of change?
Chemical change.
Curdling of milk. आपने milk से curd बना दिया, क्या curd से वापस milk बना सकते हो?
No, ma'am.
So this is again chemical change, क्योंकि उसके अंदर कोई chemical change आ चुका है. Growth. Growth is chemical change, क्योंकि अंदर biochemical reactions होती हैं. Rancidity of butter. बटर को अगर आप गर्मी में बाहर छोड़ देते हैं तो आप देखते हैं उसमें कुछ स्मेल हो जाती है. So that is called rancid butter. So rancidity is again what? chemical change, because there is some change in its chemical. Rusting of iron is,
Chemical change.
what is rusting of iron? Do you know? Rusting में होता क्या है? देखा हुआ है आपने?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. When you keep or you expose some metallic, especially rusting is used for iron objects in air. So with air and moisture, it form a compound which is called rust. Which is called, the formula of rust is Fe2O3 dot XH2O. The formula of the rust is Fe2O3 dot XH2O. H2O is what? Water, moisture, air, oxygen, iron, Fe. So this is a compound, chemical compound. That's why this is chemical change. Freezing of water is an example of physical change. Paper tearing is an example of,
Physical change.
balloon का फुलाना and flattening करना is an example of.
Physical change.
Physical changes are temporary. Physical changes are, because they can be reversed, while chemical changes are permanent. Chemical changes are,
Permanent.
see, there is an example of burning of candle. Burning of,
Candle.
it consists of two types of changes, both types of changes. It consists of both types of changes, physical change as well as केमिकल चेंज. देखिए, जो कैंडल है उसके अंदर एक ड्रिप होती है, फाइन, और बाहर उसके क्या होता है? वैक्स. जब आप इसको लाइट अप करते हैं तो क्या होता है? जो वैक्स है वो मेल्ट होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. सो मेल्टिंग ऑफ वैक्स, मेल्टिंग ऑफ इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ फिजिकल चेंज. क्योंकि वैक्स मेल्ट हुआ है तो आप उसको रीगेन, उसकी पोजीशन पे, उसको ओरिजिनल पोजीशन पे वापस लेके आ सकते हैं, उसको दोबारा बना सकते हैं उसी शेप का, राइट. लेकिन अंदर से जो ड्रिप है, जो वो एक थ्रेड है, वो जलना स्टार्ट हो गया है, वो भी साथ साथ जल रहा है, उसको आप वापस नहीं लेके आ सकते. ओके, सो दैट इज अ chemical change. Alright, so burning of candle consists of both changes, physical changes as well as
Chemical change.
ना. फटाफट हम इसको रिवाइज करते हैं. चेंजेस अराउंड अस में हमारे पास चेंज किस किस में हो सकता है? चेंज कैन बी इन शेप, साइज, पोजीशन, कलर, इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर. चेंजेस कैन बी ऑफ रिवर्सिबल एज वेल एज इरिवर्सिबल. चेंजेस कैन बी फिजिकल एज वेल एज केमिकल. बर्निंग ऑफ कैंडल is an example of both types, physical as well as chemical. I hope chapter is clear to you. Watch this video twice, read the chapter, go through the question answers, and if still some doubts are there, then meet me on online class. By that time, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.